Do you want all your friends, even the ones on mobile, to play together on your Minecraft server? I'm walking you through GeyserMC and Floodgate setup so you can enable true crossplay. If this video helps you, subscribe for more server guides from all things hosting. It really helps out the channel. GeyserMC translates Bedrock Edition connections into Java Edition format, letting players on any device join your Java server. Floodgate works alongside it to let Bedrock players join without owning Java Edition. First up is installation. Make sure you're running a plugin compatible server like Paper or Spigot. Vanilla won't work. Download geyser-spigot.jar and floodgate-spigot.jar from the GeyserMC download page. Stop your server, upload both files to your plugins folder, start the server to generate configs, then stop it again. To configure GeyserMC, open plugins/spigot/config.yml. Change auth-type from online to Floodgate. This is critical for Floodgate authentication to work. Find the Bedrock section. Default port is 19132. Bedrock uses UDP protocol, not TCP like Java. Your host needs port 19132 open for UDP traffic. If your host assigns you a different port, change it in the config. Some hosts use dynamic ports that change on restart. If that's you, set clone-remote-port to true. Let's fix the secure profile setting. For Minecraft 1.19.1 and newer, open Server.properties and set enforce-secure-profile to false. Without this, Bedrock players get kicked immediately after joining. Start your server. Check the console for confirmation messages. You should see started Geyser on UDP port 19132. If you see errors instead, something's wrong with your config. Java players connect normally. Bedrock players open Minecraft, tap servers, add server, then enter the server's IP and port 19132. As you can see, because I am joining the server on the PC that runs the server, I can either choose to join as a LAN connection, or if I want to add the server, I will be using the IP 127.0.0.1. Bedrock players get a dot before their usernames by default to prevent name conflicts with Java players. You can change this in plugins/floodgate/config.yml under username-prefix if you want. Let's look at how to whitelist players. For Bedrock players, you would need to type /f whitelist add username without the prefix. Java players use the normal /whitelist command. Now let's move on to some common issues that you could experience. Unable to connect. Run the Geyser connection test with your IP and port in console. If it fails, your UDP port isn't open. Contact your host or check port forwarding. Address already in use. Another program is using 19132. Change Geyser's port to something else like 25566 and restart. Connection refused. Your remote address is wrong. Make sure you have the correct IP address, or, like we mentioned before, if you're connecting to the server from the same PC that it's running on, set your IP to 127.0.0.1 in the Geyser config. Players are being kicked immediately. You probably forgot to change enforce-secure-profile to false in the Server.properties. Invalid session. auth-type doesn't match. Make sure it's set to Floodgate in Geyser's config. Slow connection. Lower the MTU value in advanced.bedrock.mtu. Try 1400, then 1300, then 1200. Restart between the changes. Pine hosting makes all of this easier. Their panel simplifies plugin uploads, 24/7 support from developers and server experts, help troubleshoot GeyserMC issues. They offer modern Ryzen CPUs to handle the translation layer without performance hits, and NVMe storage ensures you will have a stutter-free experience. Honestly, playing cross-platform with all your friends on a Pine hosting server is just so much easier. Use my code ATH for 30% off your first month with Pine at the link in the description. Lastly, make sure to keep it updated. Bedrock Edition auto-updates and GeyserMC needs to match those versions. Check for updates regularly, especially after Minecraft releases new versions. Your server plugins work for Bedrock players as long as they're server-side. With crossplay enabled, your server becomes accessible to more of your friends across mobile, console, and PC. Do you have questions about this setup? Drop them in the comments below and let me know what game you want me to cover next. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.